Every poultry farmer needs to know more about coccidiosis. This content is defeat coccidiosis in chicken instantly with bitter leaf, aloe vera, scent leaf, and unripe lemon. This is unripe lemon. This is bitter leaf here. This is aloe vera, and this is scent leaf. 4 of this combination will defeat coccidiosis instantly in your poultry farm. Coccidiosis is dangerous, so you need to combine this combo to give you a magic and healthy flock. Coccidiosis is a deadly parasite. It's a parasitic infection caused by a malaria species in the digestive tract of your chickens. It spreads rapidly in warm, damp environment and leads to severe damage to the intestinal tracts of your poultry. If left untreated, it can also cause high mortality and heavy loss for poultry farmers. Please, if you're into livestock farming, coccidiosis is one of your enemies. It's not only prevalent in poultry alone. Let me briefly give you different livestock animals that can suffer coccidiosis. 1. 4-legged animals. Cattle, sheep, goat, pigs, and rabbits. All these 5 I mentioned here suffer coccidiosis in different ways. For goats, how do you detect coccidiosis in goats? Diarrhea, which may contain blood or mucus, weight loss or stunted growth, loss of appetite, weakness or lethargy, dehydration, dull and rough coats. For sheep, watery or bloody diarrhea, rapid weight loss, reduced feed intake, anemia in severe cases, depression or listlessness. For cattle, those of you into cattle, most especially the calves, it causes scores with or without blood, dehydration, strength while defecating. It also causes dropping ears and lethargy. For pigs, diarrhea, yellowish or bloody diarrhea, poor growth rate, weakness, and poor body conditions. It also causes dehydration and sunken eyes. For rabbits, it causes soft or watery feces, weight loss and emaciation, reduced activity levels, bloated abdomen, and severe diarrhea in most cases. Then there is general signs in affected animals. This diarrhea is very common. Reduced appetite is very common. Weakness and lethargy is common. Dehydration and sunken ears is also common, and loss of weight and failure to strive is a general and common signs for each of these particular birds or animals. For each of these particular animals. Then for poultry, there are great signs and symptoms of coccidiosis in poultry. Bloody and red diarrhea, droppings from their poultry. That is when it has gone to the extreme level, extreme stage. This is a classic sign of intestinal damage. Watery diarrhea is another one, often accompanies with blood or in their droppings. Pale comb or wattles due to anemia caused by internal bleeding. Loss of appetite. Birds stop eating, they stop movement, they become clumsy, they eat little, if at all they eat. Lethargy, that is reduced activity, standing in one place or sitting or squatting in one particular area for a longer period of time. Failure to grow and sudden weight decline. Huddling or chilling as if they are in air-conditioned room. Birds may become clumsy, they clump together, indicating discomfort. Fluffed feather, their feather will, as if they are wearing weave-on on their feather. This is one of the major issues. Common symptoms Birds feel unwell. You notice that this particular chicken is not feeling well. Sunken ears and dry skin due to diarrhea. Their leg will become dried as if there is no blood passing through it. Dehydration. Dropping wings. The wings will fall as if they are wearing oversized clothes. Reduce egg production in laying birds. The layers drop decreases drastically within short period of time. Something that is producing 10 or 20 will drop to 1 or 2. Then mortality in severe cases. Without treatment, death rates can increase significantly in the flock. All these symptoms typically manifest in poultry, such as chicken, turkey, dog, geese, squirrels, during the outbreak of the coccidiosis. So these are the signs and symptoms you will witness. But in this particular content, I want to guide you on how to treat them organically with these plants: aloe vera, unripe lemon, scent leaf, and bitter leaf. Relax after this break. Let me guide you on how to go about it and remove them entirely from their flock. They have stages of growth. From stage 1, 2, they will continue until when they start stooling reddish substance. It has gone to the internal system and it has destroyed something there. That's why you're seeing that internal bleeding. Let's go there. After this break, we continue. How unripe lemon, bitter leaf, scent leaf, and aloe vera can treat coccidiosis. These natural combinations provide a powerful antiparasitic and gut healing remedy for coccidiosis. The unripe lemon acts as a natural detoxifier and gut cleanser. The bitter leaf acts as an anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, fight intestinal infections, while the scent leaf, very rich in antioxidants and prevent intestinal parasites. Aloe vera soothes and heals damaged intestinal tracts of your poultry and livestock animals, while boosting their immune system also. So you see, all these plants, as I mentioned here now, can help you to fight this. How do you do it? See what you do. This is aloe vera here. Slice it. Slice it into pieces. Let me slice it here. After slicing it, the next thing is to pound it. You have to slice all these ingredients, all these plants, slice them into smaller units, into a mortar or into a plate. After slicing them, this is the unripe lemon. Tear the unripe lemon into pieces. You are making use of both the peels and the liquid. Are you seeing it? This is what you have here. See what you have. This is the second one. What I'm preparing here can take care of 100 birds at a time. 100 birds for one day. Are you seeing it? Now this is bitter leaf. Now scent leaf. This scent leaf. Slice all of them. Join them together. Are you seeing it? Now we need to pound them. So what you have here can take care of 100 poultry birds. Have you seen it? The next stage now is to take them to a mortar or blender or grind. Any way you can squeeze out the juice is what you need. Anyone you have in your farm, either the grinding machine or the blending machine, anyone, or even the mortar, you can use it. 5 unripe lemon is good for 500 birds. 2 is good for 100 birds. Squeeze out a handful of fresh bitter leaf, as you have here, a handful of scent leaf, and 1 large aloe vera or pieces of aloe vera. Blend all together, mix them together with water. The dosage, allow the chicken to drink the solution instead of water between 3 to 5 days. Administer twice for severe cases, twice in a day, morning and evening, for 5 days, everything concerning coccidiosis is gone. The system will clear. The system will be neat. The poultry will live healthy, and you get the maximum result you need as a poultry farm. Now let's blend this, and you see how you're going to prepare it. For the dosage, please tell me the type of birds you are rearing. Is it turkey, geese, squirrel, guinea fowl, or broilers? Tell me in the comment section. I will also guide you on how well you can administer this to get the best and the maximum result. Let's blend this right now. For the dosage, ask me on the comment section and tell me the poultry birds you are rearing and their age. Share this video to reach more farmers. Drop your comment and like this video. Give it a thumb up. This is the only way you can encourage us. And those of you that are liking our videos, may God continue to bless you. Those are supporting us in different ways. May you be supported by God in your business also. Bye for now.